Saying we say listen. Yesterday we said that today we will start a new topic, which is parts of the body. Everyone,
Parts of the body.
everyone,
Parts of the body.
again,
Parts of the body.
again.
Parts of the body.
First one is face. Everyone say face.
Face.
Say face.
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 Air.
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 Head.
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 Nose.
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 Air blow.
Air blow.
Air blow.
Air blow.
Air blow. Air.
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 Arm.
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 Arm. Neck.
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 TF.
TS.
TF.
TS.
Mouse.
Mouth.
Finger.
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 Leg.
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 Not egg. Say leg.
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 Hand.
Hand.
Hands.
Hand.
Do like me. Do like this. Hands.
Hand.
Hands.
Hands.
Okay. One have a question. Yeah. Teacher, what is this in English? Okay. You. What about your question?
My question is, what is in English?